Most people get this wrong. They think winning money in Bingo Cash automatically means the cash is instantly available to withdraw. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The withdrawal process is simple, but there are a few important details you need to understand before you hit that cash out button. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Bingo Cash withdrawals work in 2026, what requirements you need to meet, common mistakes to avoid, and what to expect after submitting a withdrawal request. Let's get straight to it. The basic process starts after you've accumulated eligible winnings in your Bingo Cash account. Once you have withdrawable funds available, you can usually access the withdrawal section within the app and select your preferred payout method if one is available in your region. Sounds easy, right? But here's the problem. Many new users don't realize that not all funds inside the app are treated the same way. This is where most people fail. In many skill-based gaming apps, there can be a difference between bonus cash and withdrawable cash. Bonus funds are often promotional credits used for gameplay, while eligible winnings may be available for withdrawal according to the app's rules. For example, let's say Jake receives a promotional bonus and also wins several paid tournaments. The bonus itself may have restrictions, while the tournament winnings could be eligible for withdrawal. Understanding that difference helps avoid confusion. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before requesting a withdrawal, make sure your account information is accurate. Many platforms require identity verification, payment verification, or account confirmation before processing payouts. Completing these steps early can help prevent delays later. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal issues altogether. First, double-check your account details. Make sure your payment information matches your account information. If there are any errors, fix them before requesting a payout. Second, review the current withdrawal rules inside the app. Cite minimum withdrawal amounts, processing times, and available payout methods can change over time. Third, keep realistic expectations about timing. Some withdrawals are processed quickly, while others may require additional review depending on account activity and verification status. But here's another important point. If a withdrawal is delayed, don't immediately assume there's a problem. In many cases, verification checks, payment processing times, or account reviews can extend the timeline. The smartest approach is to follow every requirement carefully before submitting your request. So let's recap. Bingo Cash withdrawals generally involve earning eligible winnings, verifying your account if required, selecting a payout method, and waiting for processing. Understanding the difference between bonus funds and withdrawable funds is one of the most important steps. Now you know how the withdrawal process works and how to avoid the mistakes that catch many new users off guard. If this video helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app guides, payout tutorials, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching.